Hostgator Cloud Hosting tutorial. Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid Blog, and today I'm going to be going over a Hostgator Cloud Hosting tutorial on going over everything you need to know about Hostgator Cloud Hosting, the features of the cloud hosting, and getting started and signed up with Hostgator Cloud Hosting. I'll be providing you with a 45% off hosting promo code shortly. Make sure you subscribe to our channel as we are always posting new WordPress tutorial videos. In this video, I'm going to be going over the Hostgator Cloud Hosting plans, pricing, features, and getting started with Hostgator Cloud Hosting so you can start creating your site. Step 1 is an overview of Hostgator Cloud Hosting and why you need cloud hosting. Step 2 is how to sign up for an account with Hostgator Cloud Hosting. Step 3 is choosing a Hostgator Cloud Hosting package. Step 4 is registering a domain name, and then Step 5 is providing you with a 45% off Hostgator Cloud Hosting discount so you can start making your site with Hostgator. The awesome folks over at Hostgator have provided me with an exclusive Hostgator Cloud Hosting coupon consisting of 45% off Hostgator web hosting. I provide the link to Hostgator in the description along with the Hostgator coupon code for the 45% off offer. The 45% off cloud hosting coupon is Cupid60. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link. I'll receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out more WordPress tutorial videos on a regular basis. Feel free to click the Hostgator link in the description to walk through the steps with me in this Hostgator Cloud Hosting tutorial. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be at the Hostgator's Cloud Hosting Plans page. You will see 3 different Hostgator Cloud Hosting plans you can choose from. Before we get into the Hostgator Cloud Hosting plans, let's dive into the specifics of the cloud hosting. With the Hostgator Cloud Hosting plan, you will experience up to 2 times faster load times due to low density servers, premium hardware, and multiple caching layers. Your website content is managed more efficiently, enabling dynamic content requests to be processed lightning fast. With cloud hosting, you can ramp up your cloud resources as your online presence grows up to 4 times compared to the Hostgator shared hosting plans. One simple click is all you need. No data migrations, downtime, or reboots. Next, let's go over Hostgator Cloud features. Integrated caching. Your page will load faster from the cloud, load to an optimal caching configuration, custom built for speed. Intuitive dashboard. Manage and track your site's performance, gather information, and keep an eye on all your important metrics. Resource management. Monitor and allocate additional resources easily. You have total control over your usage with no surprises. Automated failover. If a hardware issue arises, your site is automatically switched to another server. Data mirroring. Cloud hosting automatically distributes 3 mirrored copies of your data across multiple devices to ensure safety and redundancy. Now let's go over the Hostgator Cloud Hosting plans. You will see 3 different Hostgator Cloud Hosting plans you can choose from: the Hatchling Cloud Plan, the Baby Cloud Plan, and the Business Cloud Plan. The plan I recommend going with is the Hatchling Cloud Plan or the Baby Cloud Plan. You can have one domain name with the Hatchling Cloud Plan. You can always scale up to one of the other 2 plans if you need to. If you have more than one website, you want to go with the Baby Cloud Plan, as this includes unlimited domains. The Business Cloud Plan comes with unlimited domains as well and includes a few free add-ons such as free SEO tools, free dedicated IP, and a free upgrade to positive SSL. Go ahead and select the Hostgator Hosting Cloud plan you want by clicking the Buy Now button. You will now be on a page where you can choose your domain name, type in the domain you would like to use along with the domain extension, for example .com, .net, .org, etc. I recommend going with the .com if you can, as this is most common domain extension. If you already have a domain name, just click on the I already own this domain and put in your domain name. When you select your domain name to buy Hostgator, we'll say if it is available or not. If it's available, it'll say available. If it says unavailable, it will say unavailable like you see here. If your domain name is unavailable, try adding a hyphen, or changing your domain extension. You will see domain privacy being selected for your domain name purchase. It's completely up to you whether you go with this add-on or not. Domain privacy protects your personal information. It's very common without this selected. Telemarketers and spammers will call and email you quite often. If you go with domain privacy, Hostgator's default contact information will show, so you won't have to worry about spammers. Once you decide on that, we want to choose our hosting plan. Just make sure the package type is the correct plan you want. Next, you want to choose the billing cycle. You can choose to pay monthly, every 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. You'll see you'll save money the farther out you purchase your HostGator hosting for. I'm going to show you how to get hosting even cheaper than what is listed in just a second. Next, you want to enter your username. Pick anything you would like. Next, just enter your 4-digit PIN. Make sure to remember this, as this is used when you need to talk to HostGator support. Next, you want to enter your billing information. Over on the right hand side, you will see where you can put in your card information, or you can pay via a PayPal account. After you input this information, go to the next section where you can add additional services if you would like to. Next, you will see HTTPS SSL certificates. This is a free HostGator add-on, and it makes your site secure, and all sites should have an SSL certificate. You will see protect your site from hackers. This add-on monitors your site and lets you know if a hacker gets into your site and places a virus or malware to your site. Next, you will see get professional email from Google. I'd unselect this as you can get free email accounts with your HostGator hosting. Select this only if you'd prefer to do it via Google. Next, you will see backup your hard work. This will create a backup of your site. This can come in handy if you make a mistake or something happens with your site. You can, with a click of a button, back up your site to a recent previous version. Next, you will see improve your search rankings. I'd recommend you unselect this, as this just gives you insights into your site and rankings. All these add-ons are completely optional and up to you to get. You can always upgrade to an add-on at any time. Next, you will be at the enter coupon code section. You will see a HostGator promo code automatically entered. Replace the promo code that is there with Cupid60 to get the greater discount for HostGator Cloud Hosting. Now just scroll down and accept the terms and conditions and click the Checkout Now button. You will now be directed to a thank you page. HostGator will now email you your HostGator receipt and your HostGator cPanel login credentials. Once you get the email, just click the link and log into the HostGator cPanel. Once you are logged in, find the website essentials in the left menu drop down area. You will see one-click installs. Click this and you can easily pick a HostGator site building platform to build your website or blog. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is my HostGator Cloud Hosting tutorial and getting started and signing up with HostGator Cloud Hosting. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.